To transfer Ethereum from Ledger Nano X to Coinbase, start by ensuring your Ledger Nano X is set up and you have the Ledger Live application installed. On your computer, open Ledger Live and connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, navigate to the Ledger Live dashboard and select the Ethereum account you want to use for the transfer. Make sure your Ethereum account is set up and you have a balance available for transfer. If you have not already, you will need to create an Ethereum account on your Ledger Nano X. Now, go to the Send tab and enter the recipient address. In this case, the recipient address will be your Coinbase Ethereum wallet address. You can find this address by logging into your Coinbase account, selecting Ethereum, and clicking on the Receive button. Copy the Ethereum address provided by Coinbase. Paste the Coinbase Ethereum address into the recipient field on the Ledger Live Send tab. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, taking into account any transaction fees that may apply. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Before confirming the transaction, make sure you have sufficient balance in your Ledger Nano X Ethereum account to cover the transfer amount and any applicable fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction and enter your Ledger Nano X PIN to authorize the transfer. The transaction will then be broadcast to the Ethereum network and will be processed once it has been verified by the network. This may take a few minutes, depending on the current network congestion and the fee you paid. Once the transaction has been confirmed, the Ethereum will be credited to your Coinbase account. It is essential to note that transaction fees and processing times may vary depending on the current state of the Ethereum network. Always double-check the recipient address and transaction details before confirming a transfer to avoid any potential errors or losses. By following these steps, you can securely transfer Ethereum from your Ledger Nano X to your Coinbase account.